Hello and welcome to this special NDTV broadcast. I'm Sanket Upadhyay. So about 4 decades ago, there was this fantastic moment of glory for India. But there were many things about that glory of 1983 that we did not know, or we still do not know. Now there's a movie where a real life Kapil Dev is bringing all of that in front of us, and Ranveer Singh is with me. Ranveer, thank you so much
for
this
interview.
Having
me, sir.
This is the day your movie releases.
Yes, an incredibly exciting and exhilarating time. It is finally and officially released. It's been such a long journey. This was 2 years, I think. We've waited.
In the making.
Yeah. We started this process about 3 or 4 years ago. The making of the film, then we had to hold it. The makers, the producers had such a great big battle to fight. It's such a gigantic project to hold on to it with interest aggregating and the entertainment business taking a real blow, a real hit. I can't imagine it would have been easy for them. But today, I'm extremely happy for them, where the response has been thunderous. I'm very happy for them and very happy for the whole team. Everybody put their best foot forward, and the results are just, it's like a tsunami. I've never experienced this.
And it's just about starting.
In 10 or 11 years of show business, this kind of response to a film is,
really?
is the first of its kind for me. Okay. And I've done significant films before with the biggest films, with the biggest filmmakers, but this is some new level that is a first for me.
Okay, let me ask you, why do you think so?
Just the way people are responding to the film in screenings, what they're saying about what they felt when they come out of the film, what the original players have reacted like, seeing their own story on the big screen, the kind of language people are using in what they're writing from the heart, and so effusive, adjectives that I have not experienced before that have been used for me or my performance. The kind of reviews and the anticipation. Everybody had been dying to see the movie.
Correct.
So everyone is going in with expectations.
Correct.
And they even know what's going to happen in the end.
Yes,
India's
and yet
going
they're
to
going to watch. Yes.
And yet they're coming out fulfilled, saying, we laughed, we cried, we connected with these characters, we were cheering, we were clapping, we were crying through our laughter and crying, how do you say, they're crying through their laughter and laughing through their tears. It's a very, very
what an experience as an actor.
Yeah, it's a very, it's a, I would say, yeah, it's starting to feel to me.
Okay,
on
let me
the
tell you
first
something.
day of release.
When was the first time, Ranveer, you actually saw a clip of that 1983 win? Because you were born in 1985, right? So you were -2 years old when this actually happened.
Yeah.
I was 1 year old when it happened. So obviously none of us saw it happening. When did you see this for the first time, and how did it feel when you were told ye karna hai?
Sir, us having grown up after being born, and we were born into an era where these players, couples, devils, they were already legends. They were already iconic figures, having achieved the greatest glory. We grew up thinking upon of them as our heroes. But what we didn't know is where they started and how they did what they did. That is the story of the film. That nobody believed in them. They started from the bottom of the bottom and they went to the top of the pops. And that is an incredible underdog arc, which makes for such a great narrative. You can't, I keep telling Kabir, you can't write this. If you sit down to write it, you can't write it. So to know how they did it and to see their journey from the lowest zero expectations to going on and achieving the greatest glory, becoming world champions, and what it did was change the entire attitude of a nation. So many people come and confide in me that who are older, that we used to think upon ourselves a certain way, and after 83 we thought upon ourselves just as journeymen. After 83 got the kind of self-belief which made us think that, hey, we are also something. We can do something. We can be the best in the world at something.
A sort of a turning point.
It changed the spirit of a nation, you know, and gave them reason to hold their head up high and stand shoulder to, feel like they could stand shoulder to shoulder with just about anybody in the world. And that, I think, is a beautiful thing. That's the essence of the story, and that's what Kabir Khan has been able to achieve in the film. You know, when we are in the theatres watching screenings, when the time comes around, that euphoria in the hall is so palpable.
Absolutely.
He has managed to tell a story in a way that euphoria is recreated in cinema halls, what people must have felt.
You know,
in
Ranveer,
83. It's
sports
beautiful.
glories and their representation in cinema is always very tricky. If you don't get the emotion right, you will not be able to grip the imagination of the audience. There are quite a lot of movies in India. They've been able to capture this. For instance, Chak De India,
Ji.
Pan Singh Tomar,
Ji.
which was a story of an underdog, or story of sport athletes facing trouble in real life but finally coming out or emerging big. Do you feel that this movie is going to be part of those legends, or perhaps even more?
These are all wonderful, fabulous films that I've grown up watching and loved, whether it's Lagan or Chak De India.
Oh yeah, I forgot Lagan.
Yeah, and I feel like 83 is very unique. It was because I would say it's not a significant chapter in our just our sporting history, but in our history. You know, the fact that there was an event that could change the sport, change the culture,
Sure.
affect the minds and hearts of a collective people in such a big way. I think it's got its place in history that is unique to itself.
True.
And that's why I keep telling Kabir sir and all my teammates that we have the blessings of the actual
team.
the actual
Absolutely.
good karma of what these fine men went and did in 83.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
ये picture अपने आप बन गई. It's kind of made itself, and
Did
we
you
are just
see-
lucky to be
Ranveer,
the ones chosen to tell it.
Do you think that it was an amazing experience for you to play Kapil Dev? Because Kapil Paji is known to not hold back emotions. He will cry when he is emotional. He will laugh when he feels something is funny. And you are quite a live wire yourself. So do you see you as a natural choice for Kapil Dev? Did it come naturally to you to play Kapil?
Funnily enough, I had made my debut in 2010, and in one of my earliest interviews, the first time somebody asked me if you were to play a biographical character, which one would it be? And it stumbled out of my mouth, Kapil Dev. I guess I had done
really?
some
Wow.
mental calculation ki मैं कैसे दिखता हूँ, थोड़ा सा tall, थोड़ा सा सावला. I would like to play cricket because it's my favorite sport, and who's an icon, maybe Kapil. I did some kind of calculation, and then it just stumbled out of my mouth that maybe one day I could play Kapil Dev. Later, when I saw the interview and I thought about it, I was like, it just came out of my mouth. I didn't really think about it. It just stumbled out of my mouth. I wonder why I said that. Khair. So I feel like that moment was a moment of, premonition of divine, something cosmic, something. Because in that moment वो just मुंह से निकल गया. अभी क्या पता था 10 साल बाद कबीर खान
ये
बोलेगा
करना है.
आप कपिल देव बनो. And that process of becoming this man has been so fulfilling for me as an artist to embody his character, because he's one hell of a character. He is so full of life, full of fire. He's a great man, a legend in the truest sense, not just because of his achievements on the field, but what he's been like, the way he is, his spirit off the field. He's a true team man, and I love that about him. He always puts everybody before himself, and knowing all too well that he is, the centerpiece, he ensures that he takes the team along with him. Whether it's the process of 83, they said, is it going to be a couple biopic? He said, one of the first things he told Kabir when this was happening was, it's very important for me that everybody in the team gets their due, and I trust you to deliver that. The process of becoming him, batting like him, bowling like him, there was no video footage that I had that I could rely on in order to become this character. So for character development, I actually stayed here in Delhi in his house for 2 weeks.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and I stayed with him and I would shadow him and I would videograph him and record him and observe him and hear his experiences. And
The way he spoke.
yeah,
the
all
way
those
he-
mannerisms, that body language, that's where I picked it up. And of course, the cricket was the other prong in
Yeah.
character development. My batting was pretty good. Balwinder Singh Sandhu, who I had the privilege of being coached by.
You're
for-
quite a sports kida.
Yeah, I
for those
love
who don't
sports.
know.
I
Yeah.
love it. And I love batting. It's one of my, it gives me great joy. I was quite a good batsman in school. So my batting was okay, but bhai sahab, jo
Bowling.
pani nikla hua hai bowling mein. Bro, I can't tell you, for 4 hours a day for about 4 months of prep and 3 months of shoot, or 4 months of
Just to
shoot,
get that
just
action right.
bowling, bowling.
Oh boy.
मतलब कमर टुटवाने वाला काम है, because sir, Kapil sir's biomechanics are unique to him.
Absolutely.
So to get the action right was,
And he tends to bend a little.
he has a
and-
full body action,
Yes.
you know, and he has very long levers,
Yeah.
very long fingers and wrists. So it was actually
Tell
very
you what,
difficult.
this Ranveer Singh interview cannot be this boring sit down. I can't really do it. I have been meaning to ask you to
Ji.
show me what that action is, because I know it's very difficult. Like I love the Venkatesh Prasad action.
Okay.
That is my favorite.
Okay.
I have
It's a good
I have
action.
idolized him. You know,
It's
like
a
coming
great
like this
action,
and
yeah.
let's get up and maybe perhaps know from you what exactly was that experience,
Okay.
Ranveer.
So
for
here's-
instance, yeah.
So
you know-
here's the thing, sir. The greatest part about this was, as difficult as it was for me, it's been a very fulfilling process for me.
Yeah.
Or to or, sir, how do I explain to you
Huh.
how much
Huh.
it means to me and how much I will cherish the fact that I would go on to the cricket pitch and I was being coached by the man who won the World Cup,
Yeah.
Balwinder Sandhu, was
Yeah.
there for every second of every practice. We were
Correct.
recording every ball I bowled, every every
Yeah.
ball I
just to
faced.
get that action right.
Yeah, and
Huh.
Kapil sir came for so many sessions. Just imagine, he's showing me himself the
Yeah.
nuances of his action.
For instance, let's just see his,
of his power
bowling.
hitting. So here's the thing. I would bowl part time off spin. So that it's not my natural action.
Yeah.
But Kapil Paji, you know, getting all his nuances. First of all, like an off spinner would do this,
Yeah.
but Kapil Pa would do the same thing. Look around for the field. He would do that little shoulder
Yes.
nuance. Okay, he'd chew his own mustache. His hair would come into
Correct.
his mouth. When this is his thinking. So he'd chew his own mustache.
So he's
you know,
thinking,
do the little shoulder
asking the-
thing, setting
Yeah,
the field. Okay, now it's going on in his head. Now it's going on in his head. What kind of delivery he's going to bowl? He's the kind of swing bowler who would take 2-3 balls to set you up to bowl that exact ball that he wants to bowl
Yeah.
to you, to kind of, you know, he
Unsettle
would
you.
really apply his mind
Yeah.
in his bowling.
Correct.
And he had a very long and almost diagonal
Diagonal,
run up.
correct.
So he start with his feet together, slightly bent. So for me, it was like learning choreography. Like filmon mein hum dance seekhte hain. So it was like learning a very, very fine choreography and then doing it till it becomes second nature. So your feet together, slightly bent. Right now you're thinking about what you're going to bowl to the guy. You take the seam position. First few steps are just walking,
Just
and
walking,
and then he builds up his pace. And then of course everything that everybody knows
About
so
him,
very
yeah.
well. When he finally reaches the little everybody who knows their cricket will be like, oh, so you're doing that. Yeah, this is his, like, you know, iconic bowling action, seam position, as Ballu sir would say, tickle the nipple. So you tickle the nipple, and then he does this,
Yes.
you know, which is a very little graceful pull
Yeah,
back,
yeah.
and then that iconic elbow comes up,
Correct.
and this is where he would generate the force,
Yeah.
and
With
he
the whole
bowled-
body tilting.
yeah.
Yeah.
And there's a certain rhythm and a certain way of perfecting it, which just took so much doing, but it was immensely fulfilling. Now when teammates have validated me, you
Yeah.
know, his teammates have come up to me in the past few days and said, it's astonishing. We know the guy since he was 19 years old, and there were instances where we thought we were watching him, you know. So this kind of validation is it makes me glow. It makes me beam. You know, it's like, okay, I did it. If he's happy, and the people who matter the most in the journey, in this journey, which is the original players, sir, because it's their achievement.
Correct.
You know, it's their great big achievement, which ought to be celebrated
True,
in cinema and immortalized in cinema this
At
way.
a time,
it's
Ranveer,
about
when-
them. So if they're
Correct.
happy, that's the main thing.
At a time when not a lot of people actually believed in Indian cricket. So do you think that you have immortalized these characters and made them something to cheer and remember for the rest of their life?
So we always felt like there were two kinds of audiences. The ones who've lived through 83, they get a chance to, you know, be nostalgic, go back to that time in their lives where you know, they felt and experienced this joy on that one day. Everybody has a story. I was there. ढोल निकले थे, मासी जी आ गई थी, सब नाच रहे थे, सब चिल्ला रहे थे, मैं तो सो रहा था, उठना पड़ा क्योंकि लोग चिल्ला रहे थे, तो उठ के देखा कि क्या हो रहा है, पता चला इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीत गई है. Everybody's got their story. Then there's a generation which is this generation which doesn't know what a great story on what a great achievement it is, who ought to know. It would be inspiring for them. So for us it was important to make this film in a way that it has that everlasting impression on people, because the event had an everlasting impression on people, and the film should be no different.
Ranveer, as we come close to the end of this interview, I want to know from you, how was it to be working with that team, the original team? I know you mentioned it briefly, that you had the experience of them being around.
Yeah.
But your personal experience, not of just being trained by Mr. Sandhu or Mr. Dev, you embedded inside his house, but the fact that many of these people are still around,
Yeah.
to tell their story.
Barring Yashpa, who we love and miss today more than any other day, he came as well to bless our film, and that's why I say, sir, this film has some divine blessing. All the players, their families who understand what this event meant to them and what place it holds in their lives, have blessed this film and made it into something that's quite unprecedented. I can safely say midday through the first day of release that this is something different. You know,
I
it's
can
carrying
understand.
some different kind of magic. To be on set, sir, आप ही सोचो, sir, we went to Tunbridge Wells, where he played that iconic 175 not out. I'm shooting that 175 not out wala chapter, which has never been recorded, which can and only be experienced by people on the big screen in this film for the first time.
True. What a burden of expectation.
We were shooting that
Yeah.
at Tunbridge Wells, on the pitch where he played it. We are shooting this and he's right there watching me
Oh
while I
boy.
do this.
Imagine the
can you imagine
pressure.
what a trip?
I
Can you
can.
imagine the magic, sir?
Huh.
We would be on set shooting. आज गॉर्डन ग्रेनिट साहब आ गए, सुनील गावस्कर साहब आ गए मिलने, गुंडप्पा विश्वनाथ साहब आ गए, क्लाइव लॉयड आ गया. When we lifted the trophy, sir, we did it on the balcony of the Lords, holding the real cup, standing exactly where he did
My
it, holding the cup. We were, most times on this film, many a points, me, my cast members, Kabir sir, we'd all be in tears, you know.
I can imagine.
Kabir sir, a scene would play out, Kabir sir would call cut, and he'd appear from behind the monitor with Ballu sir, who was there from start to finish, every practice session, every shoot. He's there as our touchstone for the film. He would come out from the monitor having witnessed the shot play out in tears. It was so overwhelming. That's why I say, sir, this film has been blessed by so many people,
Can understand.
from the deepest embers of their heart, that it's really become, I would say, maybe I'm not saying it myself. This is what people are saying. If you read on social media or in the press, you know, the kind of words they're using, it's become what we had prayed that it would.
Absolutely. And to end this on a happy note, because at the end of it, it's a happy achievement. It does bring tears.
Joy.
Uh,
Tears of joy.
Your dialogue of Kapil Dev and my favorite dialogue from this movie.
Which
I'm
is?
going to say it and then you can say your favorite Kapil Dev dialogue. Kya pagal hai yaar ye, Captain. I think this is a brilliant way to represent Krishnamachari
Shrikant,
Shrikant.
who's an absolute rock star.
What's your
who
favorite Kapil Dev dialogue?
I've had the great privilege of interacting with him. He is one of a kind. He's an unbelievable character. What a guy. I mean, he's got such energy. And he always says every kind of genius comes with some sort of madness, you know. They go hand in hand. The dialogue that's gotten very sticky, which people are using in everyday situations now,
Yeah.
it's kind of stuck into everyday life, which is the testament to its stickiness is we here to win. What as we here for?
We're here to interview you
Yes,
and we
sir.
had great fun.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Ranveer.
My
Such
good
a
sir.
pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Delighted to be here. Thank you.